Everyone, so today we are going to work on a mesh top, and this is what you require: a scissor, a measuring tape, a hook. I'm using a 3.5mm hook, and your yarn. I'm going to be doubling my yarn because it is weak. So we are going to start with a slip knot. You make a slip knot, then you make a foundation chain. You're going to measure the bust. It could be your bust, okay, for the person that you're going to make that top for. Then you make a foundation chain that is equivalent to that length of the bust. So I'll meet you at the end of the foundation chain. With my foundation chain, I made a bust of 33 when stretched. Let me see if not stretched. It's like 27 if it is not stretched. Then when you stretch it, you get a bust of 33. So we are going to join the ends together. Join this part with this part. You're going to slip stitch, then you single crochet. Then after doing that, we are going to work around our top. What we do, you chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You skip one, yarn over, then skip one, you go to the next stitch. You skip one stitch, you go to the next stitch, you insert your hook, you pull some yarn. We are going to double crochet. Since you're going to double crochet, you first pull through the first 2, you pull through the first 2, then you pull through the last 2 again. You chain 1, you yarn over, you skip one hole, you go to the next stitch, you double crochet. So this is going to be our pattern along the chain. You chain 1, you yarn over, you skip 1, you go to the next, and you make a double crochet. So you do that until you get to that end, until we meet again here. Then I'll show you what to do next. This is what I have after going around. Now I have joined on top of this chain. We are going to continue doing the same like we did around. You chain 1, you yarn over, you go on top of this double crochet, you make another double crochet. Insert your hook, you pull some yarn through, you pull through the first 2, you pull through the last 2, you chain 1, you yarn over, you go on top of the next double crochet, you insert your hook, you pull through the first 2, then you pull through the last 2, you chain again, yarn over, you go on top, you pull some yarn, you pull through the first 2. So you're going to do this around your mesh top until you get the desired length that you want. meet you at the end of like 10 rows. I got to the end of my top. This is the mesh top that I have. I made 13 rows. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So what we are going to do, we are going to single crochet around on top. Insert your hook, you pull through, you go to the next hole, you insert your hook, you pull yarn, you pull through, you go to the next. So you're going to do that until you go around your top. Then I'll show you the next step on how we add the fringes on your top. So I'm going to measure the fringes that I'm going to put. You're going to get your yarn and measure a centimeter of like, you're going to measure 15, not centimeters, sorry. You measure from this side, then you keep folding. Every time you get here, you fold until you get the number of fringes that you want. Then we are going to cut the yarn. Cut this side. You cut this side as well. You're going to be using like 3 to 4. I'll be using 3. If you want, you can use 2, you can use 5, 6. Then this is my top. I'm going to start from here. Make sure you try to hold in the middle. Insert your hook through this hole. You pull your yarn. You pull all the 3 at once. Then you pull through like that. Hold your yarn. Let me say, come here in the hole. You're going to pull through the whole yarn through the hole. Then you pull through the remaining yarn through the middle of that hole. Like that. You keep doing that in every circle, in every hole that you have until the end. Then I'll meet you there. So I'm at the end, and this is how my top looks like. So what we are going to do, we are going to single crochet around the top, around here where we put our fringes. You're going to attach your yarn from somewhere, anywhere from here, anywhere. Then we single crochet around so that the fringes can be firm on the top. Remember that last time we single crocheted around the bottom, so now we are going to single crochet on top, all around your top. So you're going to attach your yarn. You can tie here to make it more firm. Then we are going to single crochet in every space from where we attached the fringes from. Start your yarn, you pull some yarn, you make a single crochet, you go to the next, insert your hook, you pull some yarn, you make a single crochet again. So you're going to do this all around the top so that it becomes more firm. So I'm going to meet you at the end of the top. So this is how my top looks like at the end. So hope you're going to try out, and you have, if you want you can make it, if you want you can add on the length, because me I used 6 from here up to here. So if you want you can make it a little bit